Guys, in this video, we will be learning NumPy array filter in Python. I'm using editor pycharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. Before getting started with any of the implementation, you have to install NumPy library. If you have not yet installed NumPy library, you have to type one command either on your command prompt, or you can open terminal from here and type in the command pip install numpy, right? Once numpy library is installed on your computer, you can use numpy function in Python code, right? Now let's get started with the tutorial. What is filtering, right? How we can filter arrays. If you want to get some element out of an existing array and creating a new array out of them is called filtering, okay? So in NumPy, you filter an array using a boolean index list, right? A boolean index list is a list of boolean corresponding to indices in the array, right? So let's see one example. We have to import NumPy library first. Import. Let's create a array quickly. You are then creating another boolean index list. Let's say bu1. Anything you can. If you put any boolean value either true or false here as an element, this is a boolean index list. If you pass on this boolean index list into array, then which means your array would be filtered, right? If you print, then you will get to know what is the output. You see 1 and 7 element you got, right? 1 and 7 because 0 you have provided true and at last you provided true, okay? Which means first and the last element you are trying to filter, okay? If you add another element here, so 56 will be retrieved, right? So you have to add on one more index boolean variable, right? You see 56 is retrieved, okay? So this is how it will work. So your boolean index list would be equal to your number of element in the array, right? So we have passed on this boolean index list as an indexer into this array, and then it got filtered here. This is a one way of applying filter. I'm now going to show you another way to filter out the array. Uh, let's say I take any variable like filter, right? Maybe filter1. There's an variable name. I'm taking this as a blank list, right? So here what I want to apply one for loop in the array element, right? I in array1, right? I want to check if any of the element is greater than 6, those element would be filtered out with my array, okay? So here I have to check first if I greater than 6, okay? And then I'm now adding true or false as an boolean list, right? As a true, okay? Else if it is less than, then it will add false in this filter, okay? What we have done here, right? This is the same thing. We are checking now if the value is greater than 6, those element will be filtered out, right? So we have prepared our boolean index list, okay, as we have done here. So in this filter one, now the same thing we'll be applying. We'll be taking another result 2 variable, and then we'll be filtering array 1 and we'll be passing our new filter. Perfect. Let's print the output. If you're in the program, so you will get the elements which are greater than 6, right? You got 7 and 56. You see, if you make it 4, you will get one more element, right? 6, 7, 56. So this is a second way to set the condition and create the boolean index list, right? If you want to get the even elements from the array, you can apply the same condition, right? Which get the even numbers, right? Right? So you will get only those elements which are even in this list. So 4, 6, 5, 6, right? 4, 6, 5, 6. These are the even number in this array. Okay. This way you can also check any type of condition. Okay. So there is another way you can set your filters. If you want to, let's say, create another filter 2, this is new variable for us, and we want to say array 1 if it is greater than 4 and then filter 2, right? This way you can also apply the filtering. result 3, right? Okay. If you're in the program, so you will get the elements which are greater than 4, right? 6 7 5 6 6 7 5 6. Okay, right? If you want to say 10, so you can set any type of condition, right? 1 4 6 7, right? 1 4 6 7. Okay, your elements are less than 10. And the same thing you can do what you have done here, right? Array 1. Okay, you will get the same thing, right? 4 6 5 6, right? What we are getting in this output, result 2. In result 3 even we have the same output because we have checked the same condition for even number. Okay, right? So elements which are greater than 4. Okay, 6 7 5 6, right? So you have seen four type of filtering with NumPy array. First, you can create your boolean index list, that way it will filter. Second, you can create another filter blank list and then create your boolean index list, okay, on the basis of the condition with for loop. Third one, we can directly check the condition in the same statement, right?
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.